Hi, I am motorist. Here is a Walsall British insurance lock that I would like to show you. I got it new in the box. Here it is. There's a lot of writing on it that I can't read. But if I bring out my magnifying glass, Walsall 2000, high security padlock, anti-pick features, insurance pattern, conform to some standards, security grade 3, corrosion resistant grade 3, high. So there's something about the action of it. 5 brass levers, steel shackle, case hardened, black chrome plated, keyhole, steel swivel cover, black chrome plated. So let's see. I don't see, oh, this is I guess black chrome plated. So it came with 2 keys. It works well, as you can see. So this thing has 5 levers. They all have picking traps. Some have them below the actual gate, and some have them above. So if they're above the gate, they will act as a trap for overset. Levers, and the ones with the trap below the gate, well, they will act as soon as you try to pick it. So I will try to pick this. I use this little tool that I made out of an old key. Very simple. I had to drill out this hole a little bit to make it fit, but now it fits well. And I use this picking wire that I made out of, well, what is it called? Like, I have them here. Just a sec. Okay, so I bought these things from Amazon, and I simply cut them down and put some washers. Actually, there's 2 washers in the center, and then 2 washers on top. The ones in the center are to keep everything nice and centered. And so this works well. And actually, I picked this thing last night on video for the first time, and I will try to kind of splice these 2 videos together. So just a sec, and we'll see how that works. My video editing experience is 0, so we'll see. Open. Sorry. Walsall 2000. British insurance lock. 5 levers. All have false gates or picking traps. Let's see. Still works, yes. So, that was it. Thanks for watching.